Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English grammar, and we'll be focusing on a fundamental aspect of it, the simple past tense. If you're looking to improve your English language skills or just want to refresh your memory, you're in the right place. But before we jump into the lesson, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future language tutorials. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened at a specific point in the past. These actions are usually completed and have no connection to the present. To form the simple past tense, we generally use regular verbs and irregular verbs in different ways. Here is the formula for regular verbs.
Subject plus past tense verb, usually by adding ed to the base form. I played with my cat yesterday. Play is base form of the verb. Played is past tense.
She cooked dinner last night. Cook is base form of the verb. Cooked is past tense.
Next is the formula for irregular verbs. Subject plus irregular past tense verb. We went to the movies last week. The past tense of go is went, and it's an irregular verb. We fed the sheep last morning. Feed is base form of the verb. Fed is past tense. Negative and question forms.
To create negative sentences and questions in the simple past tense, we use auxiliary verbs like did and didn't.
Negative form, subject plus didn't plus base form of the verb. Question form, did plus subject plus base form of the verb.
I didn't eat breakfast today. Did you visit the museum last weekend?
Time expressions often accompany the simple past tense to specify when an action took place. Some common time expressions include yesterday, last night, 2 weeks ago, and in 2019. And there you have it, a crash course on the simple past tense in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using this tense in your conversations and writing to master it.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on their language learning journey. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.